gotta take these out. Okay, you got it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, you want to talk about the battery?
Okay, yes.
Oh.
So this is 72 volt, 51 amp hour battery made with Molicel P42A. We have BMS on this battery 550 amps. Battery itself, cells itself are capable of 540 amps in discharge. That's the reason why we have dual discharge, because up to 300 amps you're pulling through one discharge. If you want to pull more than 300 amps, you use another discharge cable. This is a charging cable, but all three of these cables can be used as a charging ports as well, because all three going through the BMS and it's common port on all three. So it doesn't matter if you have fast charger, 30-40 amps, you can plug directly here and charge.
That's awesome.
Yeah. From 51, you jump on 100 amp hours and you have range 100 miles and up.
Yep.
And discharge rate also doubling. Discharge rate will be like over 1,000 amps. We've been talking, if we do like 14 kilowatts on this Grom, that's gonna be a lot. Imagine if you do 14 with proper tune, this bike can reach like 80-90 miles an hour easy.
I created a bracket, so we'll go right there. And there's a fairing, right? There's a plastic cover that goes over all this.
Yeah, it's
So-
nice cover.
And this is hilarious. This thing makes me laugh because they even went through the trouble of cloning
The gas.
the gas cap. Take a look at that. They made this weird graphic and it looks like a gas cap, but
Is it hollow in there?
actually,
Are you putting any
Yeah.
components inside there?
so but it's kind of cool because you can open this and there's storage in there, and actually the charging port is right there.
Mm-hmm.
So if I wanted to, I could run a charging cable up through there,
Yeah.
and even put the charger in there, although that's pretty small. It might not fit in there. But that's it. So the next step now is mount the controller, mount the connecting wire to here, get this all good, and put the battery in, and we'll get it on the road.